Welcome back to Employee Engagement Goes to the Movies, where we consult the silver screen for powerful lessons of what to do and what not to do to create the right employee experience. Today, we're talking about Remember the Titans, which came out in 2000, starring Denzel Washington and Will Patton.
Yep, one of my absolute all-time favorites. I love this movie. So the plot is in Virginia, high school football is a way of life. And in 1971, high school football was everything to the people of Alexandria. But when the local school board was forced to integrate an all-black school with an all-white school, forming T.C. Williams High School, the very foundation of football's great tradition was put to the test. The head coach of the Titans, Bill Yost, played by Will Patton, is replaced by an African-American coach, Herman Boone, played by Denzel Washington from North Carolina. Tensions arise when players of different races are forced together on the same football team. Based on a true story, Remember the Titans takes a look at the beginning of integration in Alexandria, both the racism and the friendships that result from overcoming prejudice.
During each of these episodes of Engagement Goes to the Movie series, we choose one power principle that can help leaders create a more engaging experience for their employees. The power principle that we chose from the film is the power of unity in team building.
Absolutely. And if you really want to have your team win the employee experience, we actually put together a full handout for you called Winning with the Employee Experience. And you can download that at DecisionWise.com/Titans. Adam, let's roll a clip that demonstrates that power principle in action.
Sounds good.
What are you? Mobile, agile, hostile. What is pain? French bread. What is fatigue? Army clothes. Will you ever quit? No. We want some more. We want some more. We want some more. Turn in.
Let me ask you something, Mr. Campbell.
Uh-huh.
What kind of power you got?
Oh, man, you know I got some soul power.
What kind of power you
What
got?
kind of question is that? I got soul power.
Yes, you do.
Right on. Let me ask you something now, Mr. Burtier.
Yes.
How strong are you?
I'm too strong.
What? How strong?
I'm too strong. Too strong.
Right on,
I want a
man.
victory.
Oh, I want a victory.
I want a victory.
No, I want a victory.
You want victory?
Kenna, what are your thoughts on that clip?
Yeah, I love this clip, and it's kind of their first breakthrough at camp. Just a little context. Before this, they had been fighting nonstop at camp, and there was that division and segregation, and nothing the coaches were doing was working. And so that's when Coach Boone has them take a 3 a.m. run to Gettysburg. And some of the powerful words he addresses them with is, if we don't come together right now on this hallowed ground, we too will be destroyed just like they were. I don't care if you like each other or not, but you will respect each other. And they really took that to heart. And this clip shows one of those big breakthroughs after that at camp, and shows the power of putting aside their differences and uniting to form strengths, and that they're stronger together. And I really think that can be applied to any aspect of life or business. We have diversity, we have different strengths, and there's a power in putting some of those aside to unite for a common cause, team, organization, to bring unparalleled results. So we're stronger together.
Yeah, Ken, I really like how you outlined that. The way that I see it is really three separate blocks. There's this pre-football camp where there's division among the people. Mm-hmm. There's the camp itself, the football camp, where they really become unified and come together. And then there's this post-camp, which really is where they're tested. Mm. And this is where they go back to the community and they apply the principles that they learned at camp. Yeah. And so really the whole movie is this kind of tug of war between unity and division among the people. And a lot of this is around race. Within organizations, though, this can be expectation misalignment, Absolutely. Differences of opinion or thought, communication styles. And I think the main point that we get from this is having unity within diversity, accepting differences within the workplace, and really looking to help each other in that way.
Yeah.
One of the main questions, though, I asked myself during it was, how was this unity created? And I feel like it was strong leadership. Coach Boone was really the example. He rubbed off on Coach Yost, who then rubbed off on the two captains, who then rubbed off on the whole team. And then as a whole, the community was affected at large.
Absolutely, Adam. I love how you put that leadership really does rub off, and that's where it starts, unity. And I really think they all were fantastic examples of strong leadership to create that unity and unite to form a greater end result. I love that. So remember the power of unity and team building. Thanks again for watching this episode of Engagement Goes to the Movies. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.